Yeah. Now my screen is shared now.
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Go
Thank
ahead.
you. Thank you. This is Avnish Pandey from Akums Drug and Pharmaceutical. I am taking care of the operational excellence activities of the Akums Drug and Pharmaceutical. Uh, Akums Drug and Pharmaceutical, basically a group of pharmaceutical company which is producing around 12% of total country's drug produced. So we are the contract manufacturer and we are producing around 12% of total manufactured drug in the India. So we have more than 560 plus uh, approvals from the DCGI, and we have 2,500 plus our formulation. And worldwide, we have 200 plus clients. So we can say around 80% of all the good companies, whatever the drug they are distributing is manufacturing by us only. So some of our valued business partner I'm just showing here is Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Oriflame, Cipla, Proveni, Mylan, Abbott. So all the companies can see here. Partner. We have the dedicated manufacturing facilities in the Haridwar and the Guwahati, Assam. So out of 11 manufacturing facilities, 9 manufacturing facilities at the Haridwar, like solid oral doses, liquid, injectable, eye, ear drops, hormonal preparation. We have the penicillin facility, cosmetic, Ayurvedic, and herbal. So we have all the facet of the pharmaceutical manufacturing. They are the some news which is focused on the business today, business fair and all. So we are very rapidly growing pharma company who started in 2004 only. So we have taken the one initiative called the Green and Lean to Clean. So we have taken some our performances. So our objective was there to reduction of energy. So we have taken 2015 baseline data and taken the reduction of 10% as compared to 2015 to 2020. So in 6 years we have taken target of reduction of 10% energy as well as 5% GHG emission and 10% water reduction. This three target was taken for this initiative, and we have achieved till now is a 2.62% of energy reduction and 1.7% of the greenhouse gases emission reduction and around 5% to the water reduction. We have some sort of baseline and year what we have achieved. So our baseline was there. Different. We have taken the different baseline, and we are monitoring year, how we are achieving, and if something we have to do something extraordinary also we have did there, and I'll just show you. This is our 8 sustainable pillars we have taken: quality, safety, regulatory compliances, and people. Another side is customer satisfaction, operational excellence, ecological footprints, and community. These 8 pillars we have taken for our sustainability development. Some highlight of the Green and Lean initiative. We have started after taking the our objective. How can we go for the achievement? So we have taken some Lean Six Sigma projects implementation where the different green, yellow, white belt projects. So 2017-18 we have taken 202 projects. 2018-19 we did two projects, and 19-20 we completed 283 projects. And to achieving this, we already given the training to the employees in 2017-19, 460 employees trained on this, and 2018-19, 335, and 19-25, 48 employee was trained on this lean initiative. Then financial saving also, we got a very good financial saving. some of the event I am just showing is a Lean Lab event, Lean Sensei event, then Kaizen Prosan Yojana we started, then some slides for the training we started. We did our TPM workshop, then we went to the vendor development program as well, because a lot of things for the sustainable development, vendor was the main part for us. So we also started the vendor development program. Then a small improvement project, we started the Kaizen Prosan Yojana, because if all the employees should participate in this initiative, they should have some sort of incentive, some sort of thing. So we started Kaizen Prosan Yojana, where we certified our employees in different parameters like a diamond Kaizen, gold Kaizen, silver Kaizen, and appreciation letter. So year wise year, it is gradually growing. So this is initiative is given a lot of good trend to start the green, lean, and to clean initiative. If you see the specific power consumption, so which was there 56.69 kWh plus 1000 number of production, it came down around 51.47 kWh per 1000 number of production. But as per the HSD consumption, because HSD, we are using SSD in the case where our electricity is not there. So that is not achieved as per our targeted, but as per the compared to 1890, we achieve a lot. But baseline, when we started the baseline, that time the HSD, whatever was taking the target is not achieved yet, but we are doing a lot of work for the HSD reduction. But total, if you see the specific power consumption, we are achieving around 9.2% reduction. We did energy audit for pharmaceutical, because of lot of utilities is there, like AHU, we have to make temperature, RH, and all. So our 60 to 70% of consumption going to the AHUs and utilities. So we started yearly energy audit, where we can check our energy efficiency with different equipments. Then we have taken 20 big NCON projects. Then 9 NCON projects is under progress, and we are already finding whatever the big 5 good projects for the 21-22. So what is the roadmap for this continuous improvement for the green, clean to lean initiative? We have taken up to 2021-22 specific power reduction consumption, which was now is a 51.47 kWh. We are targeting it should be reduced like 47.43 up to 21-22. For that, we have already started for the solar power plant installation. Then we have to change our whole AHUs with convention blower by the EC blower. Then Internet of Things is now going everywhere. So we now we have to started the implementation of the Internet of Things for our HVAC and utility and chiller operation. We have started Arctic Master in chiller to reduce power consumption to improve the cooling efficiency. So a lot of other projects we already identified. So we have to start now implementing, and it will be definitely will give the good reduction in the energy. As for the water consumption trend, water consumption, which was the 17-18 was 1000 number of production, and between some project came, so it become a 1030 liter per 1000 number production. But in financial year of 1920, it become down is around 975 liter per 1000 number of production. So we already reduced around 2.5 percent in specific power consumption in 1920 as compared to 17-18. We have already started 11 water conservation projects, which was completed, and we have our awareness program within our group. So some of the water conservation initiative we started is like RO to reject water, then we have collected in utilities of water tank to the save water and energy. Then ultrafiltration reject water collected in utilities of water. So we have taken even a small project also give the full focus because to reduce the water consumption. For GHG inverter, we have conducted the energy audit. So where we putting all our effort to the utilities where the low efficiency equipment is there. So either we are changing it if old machine is there, or we are overhauling that particular AHUs or even chillers and all. So that give the good efficiency. So it will reduce the power consumption. Then we are already changed full CFL light with the LED light. Then recycle and reduce the use of glass, paper, aluminum, plastic, and recycle paper products and supplies. We already started the plantation of tree inside the premises and outside the premises to reduce the CO2 at the atmosphere. Turn down the air conditioning, whatever other air conditioning is there. Then setting off the computer. Because if shutting off the computer is not working, it will reduce around carbon dioxide emission by 83%. So where we have started some awareness program where if we are not at the time of lunch, tea, we have to have shut off the computers, then shut off the lights, day lights, and start the carpool with the employees. These are the some of the initiatives we have taken. For the renewable energy, we have already find out the things just like a rooftop installation, solar power, then solar water, hot water generator, then solar light tube. We already started these projects. This year, by the Confederation of Indian Industry, they started one competition called the CII, and it was the fourth version, CII fourth edition of National Energy Efficiency Circle competition, where we got second prize. So best implementation of ISO 50000 is an energy management system. So this year only 2020 we got this award from the CII, and 2000 where we started our green lean to clean. So for that we started the all the facilities should have the energy management system ISO 50001 certification by the BSI, and 2018 only we certified by BSI for the all the plants.
Avnish, you can conclude now.
Okay, so now for the IGMC, one of the India Green Manufacturing Gold Award we have taken for this Green and Lead initiative. So this is the things, a community engagement. We started for the environment Ganga cleaning campaign, then cleanliness drive under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, then cleanliness and hygiene canteens and reduction. So these are the initiatives we started for this green clean to lean. So these are the some of the plantation we did. So now we can say now we have to complete presentation.
वेरी गुड अवनीश, बहुत बढ़िया। आपका पर्टिकुलरली आप देखें तो सोशल इम्पैक्ट का आपका प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि पूरा का पूरा सोसाइटी को इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, चाहे तो बिजली बचाने का हो, चाहे प्लांटेशन का हो, चाहे CO2 एमिशन का रिडक्शन का बात हो, चाहे पावर कंजम्पशन के लिए कम करने की बात है। बड़ा अच्छा प्रयास है आपका, आप इस प्रयास को जारी रखें। कीप इट अप, इट्स फैंटास्टिक इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम योर साइड, एंड we find that in case all the companies they are aware about their social responsibility, so we can have a really lean and clean and green environment throughout us. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Bhushan ji.
I think it's extremely good. I think it's an excellent initiative. I wish them all the best.
Surendra ji.
Sir, I myself is energy auditor, certified by Bureau of Energy Efficiency,
Okay,
and I understand fully what you are doing. Excellent work, and you have already won so many awards. And I will strongly recommend from my side that at least you will be given this award.
Very
Because
good.
my recommendation
Sir,
from
we'll
my
stand
side
by you, sir.
that
Sir,
we
we'll
can-
stand by you.
So excellent work, because the type of information you have provided, you have not missed even a single point where we can save our energy. And because energy conservation also relate to use of water, that most of the industries and commercial organizations, they don't pay attention. You have paid attention on that as well, and you have also tried to utilize renewable energy.
Yeah.
So it's a mix of everything. It's a good example. It should be replicated. And please forward your PPT and other project detail to Scotch, and we will send it to other states or other stakeholders as well for application. Thank you very
That's
much.
the reason, Sur Saab, they are getting lot of foreign investment also into their company.
Yes, sir.
Recently they raised around 70 million US dollar investment in the company, and they are doing quite well. And whereas in case we can see that where they are claiming around 12% of the total manufacturing of the medicine is being done through them. It's
Right.
really great and encouraging.
It's a wonderful,
Great,
excellent job.
great. Thank you very much, Vinesh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ji, Samir.
Thank you very much, sir, for the